Example of embedding images. You will need to present your data by embedding images or screen captures, as well as by using precise and detailed descriptions and accurate quotations. Images should be presented centered on their own line at the appropriate place in the paragraph where a quotation would naturally appear. And they should be limited to approximately 3 by 5 inches. They should be labeled clearly with a figure number and a descriptive title. This is an example that might appear if you analyze the topic of mental health aids. Image centered on its own line, approximately 3 by 5 inches, labeled figure number 1, Abilify whole. As you can see, this image is embedded after I introduced it, not at the beginning of the paragraph. It is centered on its own line with a title I assigned it below. This image did not have a title in the web page I took it from, but for some evidence, the image or video that you capture from will have a given title, which you will copy next to figure, capital N, lowercase o, dot. The NO is an abbreviation for number, in quotation marks. Each piece of evidence will need a coordinating entry in your works cited page. The citation for this example would be Abilify and Seroquel. Figure number 1, Abilify whole. One Boring Old Man by John M. Nardo, 28 December 2015. URL link, accessed 26 February 2020.